Episode 5, Dinner with Vaughn, and you know the show must go on. Today I'm going to be cooking sesame chicken, and it's better than the chicken that they got on Sesame Street. Step 1, you gotta rinse the chicken, and then I gotta dice the chicken into 1-inch cubes, and I gotta season the chicken.
Hold it on that check, that new employee check. So gave them the wrong routing number. Now you going to a nigga named Stanley. Stanley Capanley.
Stan is the man that didn't have a plan.
Stanley Capanley, now you complain. Your job looking at you saying, money's been poor. We don't know what to tell you.
They're all in cahoots and they're shaking in their boots.
You gave them the right route. You gave them the right recipe.
They don't have a recipe.
They were just all in cahoots, and now they all gonna be shaking in their boots.
Step 2, I gotta create the batter that I'm gonna use to coat the chicken.
Then you give it a juice, so she'll have no excuse.
Give it a juice so she start feeling loose.
The only way you'll truly get comfortable is if you understand how to treat that good person. If you say I want to get comfortable with you, cause they just want you to make them giggle a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Cause now it takes off that. Now it knocks off
The edge.
the edge, right?
Step 3, I gotta coat the frying pan with vegetable oil, and then I'm gonna preheat it and dip the chicken in the batter and then fry the chicken.
And failing again, it's just a fairy tale.
Tell them again.
All you gotta do is fail. Then failing again is a fairy tale. They call him Sergey Ubaka because he's surgical.
Nah, you tripping. That nigga tried to save it.
I was trying to see where your head was at.
You were gonna try to save it.
I looked up at you. I tried to see where your shit was going. I looked up where your I ran to the chicken on the floor. I looked at boy to see if I was gonna go for it. Oh!
Hold on. Oh. Water, just a little bit of water.
We folded it. It was my fault.
Nah, my fault.
I'm talking about hoes that don't matter. Throwing us off. That hoe eating good right now. And we picking up scraps. I need to get my head in.
Step 4, I'm gonna create the sesame sauce.
It took more than that, a nanosecond. Hell no.
Yo, hold up. Alright, bro. I'm gonna stop playing now. I'm folding on cheese.
It won't look like coke. That's how you say it.
No,
You know what I was trying to say. You know what I was trying to say. Kingston Airlines. What's your big airport called?
Norman Manley.
Who the f is that?
He's like, I think he was one of the presidents in Jamaica.
He was live?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he don't even know about his birthday.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't know his mama tell him. He made tofu like Goku.
Step 5, I'm gonna toss the chicken in the sesame sauce until it's thoroughly coated.
I had one white hoe in my life. Her name was Elizabeth. little white hoe. She had a little blonde hair. Cool little white hoe, elementary school.
Elizabeth had you going crazy.
Oh, about Elizabeth little kids.
Oh yeah, you bought her roses.
Never bought her roses. Elizabeth was a little freak though, I ain't gonna lie. She was tripping in the first grade.
In the first grade.
I think she probably used to watch her people have sex now that I'm thinking about it. Cause she did about sex in the first grade, God. She probably was like my first little introduction to like nasty shit. Like
in the first grade though?
Bruh.
You get loose in the first grade.
I was touching on in the first grade. I remember touching Elizabeth's pussy in the first grade, and she grabbed it on my dick. I'll never forget Elizabeth.
So yeah, that boy remember Elizabeth for the rest of his life.
It's crazy because she probably don't remember me because she's probably a scallywag now. Like, she probably don't even remember who she slept with last year.
Last week.
That's how they be, bro. You can really be going.